Mga kapatid, tayo'y nagagalak na magkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa mga sanggol na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano. Inaanyayahan ko kayo, mga magulang, ninong at ninang, upang kurusan sa noo ang inyong mga pabibinyagan.
Hi Yumi, happy first birthday and happy christening. Thank you so much for coming into our world. We love you so much. Sobrang saya namin.
Nais ba ninyong sila ay tumanggap ng sakramento ng binyag upang makiisa sa buhay ng Diyos at makaanib ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano?
Grow up well. We're here as your godparents to guide you with your parents, and happy first birthday and welcome to the Christian world.
In just a year, you've already brought so much love and joy to everyone around you. I will be there as an extra hands to care, guide, and love you.
We thank God for you. I love you. We love you.
Hi Yumi, bukod sa sinabi ni Mama, we wish and pray na you grow up healthy and happy.
Happy christening and,
And
happy
happy
first
first
birthday. We love
We
you.
love you.
Maraming salamat po sa regalong ito ng bagong buhay. Isang napakagandang paalala ng inyong pag-ibig at pag-asa.
Yumi, happy birthday! So, sana lumaki kang very good child and we will always be here for you.
May you grow strong and healthy, and may God bless you always.
Happy first birthday, Yumi. Stay healthy, pretty, and happy for the rest of your life.
You are my favorite apo. Kasi isa lang siya. At the age of 70, ngayon lang kami nagkaapo.
Tagal ka namin hinihintay. Sa wakas, lumabas, maganda.
Happy birthday, Yumi. At sana iingatan ka lagi ng Panginoon. Love you.
May God bless you with love, happiness, and joy.
Wish ko lang sana lumaki kang healthy and most importantly, kind to everyone.
This past year has been the most joyful and life-changing year for us. Mula nung dumating si Yumi sa buhay namin, she has filled our hearts with a kind of happiness we never knew was possible. Maya ako na tuloy yun sa akin.
Happy christening and happy first birthday, Yumi. We wish you good health and a bright future.
From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for being here, for your love and for the beautiful memories we are making today. Your love, support, and prayers mean so much to us. At alam namin nalalaki si Yumi, surrounded by people who care for her deeply.